Kids TV.
පුංචි අපේ රූපවාහිනිය.
Good morning, little girls and boys. You're joining again with Nana Piazza with Hello. So we are here again on a Saturday morning, sharp 10 o'clock. Why? To teach you to speak English. Are you excited? So today also we have a very beautiful, exciting lesson lined up for all of us to learn to speak English confidently. So that is why we have Nana Piazza with Hello on Kids TV, Pure TV channel number 204. Is Hello being naughty? No, right? He's not disturbing you, is he? No, he's helping us. Hello is here in our class to make our lesson interesting and to help us go along and learn to speak English well. All right, children. So, as always, shall we all stand up to sing the greeting song? Ready? Make sure you shake hands with your friends. Hello, everybody. How are you today? It's time to move your body and learn and play. Hello, children.
Hello.
Can you shake hands with your friends and ask how they are? Ask how do you do?
How are you?
And make sure you answer too. Okay, please sit. How can you answer the question, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What if you're not fine? What if you're sad and you're sick and you're gloomy?
Feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling well.
Yes, you can say, I'm not feeling well today. I'm okay.
I'm okay and not okay.
I'm okay. Or you can say, not bad. Not bad is you're not okay, or you're not okay, and also you don't feel really great as your usual self. So all that you can say, not bad. I'm not feeling well. I'm sick. I feel gloomy. I'm sad. I'm worried. So these are things that you can say when someone asks, how are you? But always don't stay in the negative. Try to be positive. Oh, I'm fine. How are you? And you can ask the question back. Do you understand, children? Yes, you want to tell something?
Why don't we say I'm great?
Yeah, I'm feeling great. I feel awesome. Today is a super day. We'll start with the positive. All right, children. So, we are going to start with some actions. Are you ready for the actions?
Yes.
Why do we do actions?
To get warmed up?
Yes, to get warmed up, because now today is Saturday. This is a weekend. And during the weekend, do we sleep late?
No.
You don't? Some children do.
Yes.
So, maybe you woke up at 9 o'clock or maybe 10 o'clock. Right off from bed, you're in front of the TV watching us. So, maybe you're not warmed up. Maybe you're still sleepy and you can't focus on the lesson. So, we'll do some warm-ups to help your friends. Okay, are you ready? Right, stand up. Walk. Now, when I mean walk, I want you to move your hands really up, down, move it vigorously and walk. Yes. Right. Now shake your body. Shake your bodies. Right. Okay, now let's sit. Today we are going to talk about a very familiar topic for all of us. It's about the school. Do you love your school?
Yes.
Of course, we love our school because it is our second home. පුතාලා ඉස්කෝලේට කැමතිද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉස්කෝලේට ආදරේද? අපි කවුරුත් ඉස්කෝලේට ආදරේ නැහැ කියන්න බෑ. මොකද ඉස්කෝලේ තමයි අපේ දෙවනි ගෙදර. අපි ගෙදර ඉන්න වගේම කාලයක් ඉස්කෝලෙත් ඉන්නවා. ඉස්කෝලේ යනවා අපි අවුරුදු 13ක් 15ක් විතර ඉස්සර පෙර පාසල් ගිහිල්ලා ඊට පස්සේ ඉස්කෝලේ ගිහිල්ලා අපි අවුරුදු 15ක් විතර ඉස්කෝලේ ගත කරනවා. ඉතින් ඉස්කෝලේට ආදරේ වෙන්නේ නැතුව බෑනේ. Do you love your school?
Yes.
Why so softly? Do you love your school?
Yes.
Yes, very good. It's not no. It's yes. Good job. You have to say yes. It's very important. So when I say the school, are we talking about the building? Do you love your school building?
No.
We are not loving the building. Then what is the school? අපි ඉස්කෝලේ කියලා කිව්වම පුතේ බලන්න ඉස්කෝලේ building එකද? ඒතර අපි building එකටද ආදරේ? නෑ ස්කූල් කිව්වම building එක විතරක් නෙමෙයි. තව ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා. What makes the school? Of course the building. There should be a building for you to learn. You should have a classroom. Okay, so the building, the classroom, what else?
Teachers.
The teachers. The teachers are very important, right? If you love your teachers, you love the school, yes?
The principal.
Yeah, the principal.
The students,
Oh, that's very
teachers.
scary sometimes.
The students.
Students, yes, your friends, your
The teachers.
classmates,
Teacher.
teachers,
The
yes.
workers.
The workers, that's very important. Who keep our school clean and who helps us, the maids, yes.
The security.
The security uncles, yes, of course, security aunties. Yes, the fathers and the sisters, the reverend fathers, the reverend sisters, the reverend monks, all of them are also very important in the school. Who else? The gardeners, and then we have we talked about the students, and then we have visiting teachers who comes for one day and who are not working full time in the school, but they come teach you and they go off. So all of them make this whole body called the school, and everybody's full efforts are needed to make the school successful. And as children, we love our school because the school is very interesting. When you're at home, you don't have anybody to play with. But when you go to school, you have loads of friends, right? Okay, now each one of you should tell me what you love about your school. So each one of you should tell me something different. Don't say the same thing that the first person says. ඔන්න දැන් අපි කතා කරන්න යන්නේ අපි අපේ ඉස්කෝලේ වැඩිපුරම කැමති මොනවටද කියලා. ඔන්න චූටි දුවලා පුතාලා දැන් මේක අහගෙන ඉන්න ගමන්ම ඕගොල්ලෝ කියන්න ඕනේ මම ඉස්කෝලේ කැමති මේකටයි කියලා. Ready? Good minute.
Hello everyone, I am Budmina. Today I am going to say my school.
No, I want you to tell what you love best about your school. Just what do you love best about your school?
I like my best about my school is
What I like the best about my school is, say what I like
the school is
what I like. Everybody practice that. What I like the best about my school. Again. What I like the best about my school is. Once more. Now only Budmina try.
what I like the best
About.
school is teacher.
Excellent. So Budmini is so lucky to have wonderful teachers. Give him a clap. Great job. Now, why do you like your teachers?
Because teachers learn us well.
Teach us well for you to learn. Excellent. So Budmina's school has wonderful teachers who teach them really, really well. Excellent. Good job. Now we have Tishan. Come. Start. What I like.
What I like the best about my school is the principal, teachers and all my friends.
Oh, great. So that's a lot. Principal, teachers and all his friends. They are all amazing. That makes Teshan School a wonderful school. Good job. Then we have Dizali.
What I like the best of my school is
Best about my.
What I like the best about my school is everything, especially the books.
Oh, great. So she must be having such a lot of books and interesting books in the school. Great job. Come, Ema. What I like
What I like best
about
best about
my school
best by my school is fathers and sisters.
the fathers and sisters. Are they very loving to you? Excellent. Good job. And they guide us really well. Come, Vidushika. What I like the best about my school. About my school is no. What I like the best about my school is
teachers and friends and the writing lessons.
Okay, then it's more than one. You have to say what I like the best about my school are the teachers, friends, and the lessons. Okay, you have interesting lessons. Good job. Come, Tashara.
What I like best about my school are my friends and all the teachers and principals who guide us to be better children in the future.
Excellent. Good job. Come, Kaushal.
What I like about my school is the teachers and my friends and the vice principal and the principal.
Oh, specifically vice principal. He must be having a very good vice principal. Good job. Okay. Now, children, none of you told me that you like your library, your computer rooms, your cafeterias, the playground especially. None of you mentioned the playground. Why you are not given time to play in school?
No.
You are not given time to play?
No. Yes.
Some of you, yes, not a lot. So maybe you really love the playground then because you are not spending enough time there. So these things should be included. It's not only the teachers and the principal and the friends, but there are very special places in the school you like. Maybe there's a tree that you can climb. Maybe there's a slide. Maybe there's a wonderful playground for you to walk. Or maybe there's a narrow lane near the school that you can take walks on. So there are interesting places in the school. I remember in my school there was a tree. At the back of the school there was a tree. So until our parents come to pick us up, I usually go to the top of the tree and I read a book. Yeah, and it was so interesting. I loved to go to school because I could climb up the tree. So there are very special things that make our school very close to our hearts. So when you talk about the school, mention those. It's very important. Do you understand? Okay. Now, do you all have a computer lab in your school?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have a playground in your school?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have maybe a small canteen in your school where you can buy food? And maybe there's a sick room. These are also places in the school. Now let's talk with our friends about the different places that you have in your school. Okay, now for example, in a house you have living room, you have bathroom, you have bedroom. Likewise, in the school also we have different sections. Now please tell me, what are the different sections in your school?
The library.
Library, good job.
Cafeteria.
Cafeteria or the canteen. Cafeteria is another name for canteen.
Science lab.
Science lab, good job.
ICT lab.
ICT lab. ICT lab is another name for the computer room or the computer lab.
Sick room.
Sick room, there is a sick room. When you're sick, you can go and have a nice nap there. Okay.
The auditorium.
Auditorium is like the hall with the stage and the chairs. Auditorium.
The indoor cricket.
Yes, the indoor cricket area. Very good. If you have an indoor stadium, then there could be a maybe a cricket ground for you all to practice.
Principal's office and staff room.
Very good. Principal's office. That's very scary. Do you like to go to the principal's office?
Yes. No.
You love to go to principal's office.
There's
Why?
a lot of AC inside.
Ah, it's very cold, unlike the classrooms.
And the auditorium.
And the auditorium is also air conditioned. Great job. Does the principal hand out sweets for you all?
Yes. Yes.
So that is why you like to go to the office.
Yes.
Maybe you will get more sweets then. Great job. When we were small, we really was very scared of the principal's office. We don't even, look at the principal's office. It was a very scary place for us because whenever we are naughty, we end up in the principal's office. I'm lucky you all are not like that now.
How about the swimming pool?
Oh, the swimming pool. Yes, swimming pool is cool, right?
Much more cool.
Admin office.
Admin office, there is an administrator office where your parents can go and take applications, fill applications, pay the school fees. Good job.
Reception.
Yeah, reception area, administration office, yes.
The basketball court.
Basketball court, yes. It's a part of the playground.
The security room.
Security room or the guard room or the waiting area for the parents. And the car park, they are all another part of the school. What else?
The playhouse in the school.
The playhouse, the little ones have it, right? The preschool children, the Montessori children in your school, they have beautiful play area with playhouses and slides and sand playing area, water play area. That's very interesting.
Music room.
Music room. Oh, what does the music room have?
Instruments.
Yeah, instruments. What are the instruments?
Organ. Guitar.
Organ, guitar,
Trumpet.
piano, trumpet.
Dancing room.
Dancing room, yes. You have a dancing room separately for school.
Yes.
That's awesome. Is that it? You forgot the toilets. Oh no!
I don't want to mention it because it's too embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing? It's not embarrassing. Toilet is also a very important part of the school. Yes, it's very important. So the washroom area where you wash hands and also the toilet area is also it's a part of the school. Right, now you know loads about the school. Now I want you to tell about your school. Okay, so mention everything you like about your school and then only one of you will get the chance. Who can speak about the school? Okay, ready.
Hello everyone, my name is Dizali and today I'm gonna talk about my school. I like my school because it is very fun, the teachers are really good, especially the principal. When we are good, the principal is good, but when we are naughty, the principal becomes bad.
Bad? Oh, I don't think so. She becomes bad. Why she does naughty things then?
No, she gets angry.
Yeah, she becomes strict. The word is strict.
She becomes strict. And I love the books, especially the library, because I can sit on the sofa with the AC and read my favorite book. Thank you.
Okay, great job. So the best part about the library is whenever you're free, you can go there and get a book, sit and read. You don't open a book and sleep.
I do.
You do. Okay, Prashant does. That's embarrassing. You have to be embarrassed to mention that. You don't sleep with a book in your hand. Okay, great. Now we are going to for an improvisation. They are going to do a small act about something that happens in the school. So you have to be loud. If you are not loud, our friends at home will not hear you. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Who's ready to go? The chance group. Come. Come.
That's why I want this first.
Ready. So where is this taking place? Where is it happening?
In the
Obviously in the school, but where in the school?
in the IT.
In the IT lab. Okay.
ICT.
Whatever. Yes. Computer lab, IT lab, ICT lab. Yes. Go on. Yes. Okay, I'll stay aside.
children. Today we are going to the computer lab. Come in a line. Okay. I want to rush to the washroom. Please finish the essay on your computer. Oh no, he broke the computer. What happened? Who broke the computer? He broke the computer. Who broke the computer now? I must take you all to the principal's office. Come now. Mr. Principal.
Mr. Principal. Sir.
Your Highness. Excuse me, sir. Both of them broke the computer. He says that she broke the computer, and she says that he broke the computer. And I'm so confused. What shall we do now? Why don't we check the fingerprints? That's what.
Call the police. Don't you have CCTV cameras in your school?
CCTV camera. Yes. Do come. Let's see. Please thank me, detective.
Okay, good job. Give them a clap. So it's important you have CCTV cameras in school.
I forgot
to check, to check who the naughty one is. Ready, go. Next group.
Hello everyone. So now we are going to do a little improvisation of school.
A short improvisation.
I'm going to be the teacher and they are going to be the students. Good morning, children. Good morning.
The children should speak loud.
Good morning, teacher.
Now write down this note.
They're already writing. The teacher has started.
What are you doing playing with the rockets? Stand up. Who started it? Tell me the truth. Both of you kneel down.
Oh no.
Now tell me who started it. You want me to drag you from your ear? Tell me who started it. Speak. Come on. Speak up. Come on. He did it. Okay, fine. Give me your hands. Everyone got to next time, don't do it. Promise?
Promise.
Okay.
Promise. Good job. Teacher got really angry. Okay, great. So you have to be truthful, right? You have to. If you do something naughty, then you have to own up.
Principal. Yeah. Get us.
All right. Okay, children. So that is about the school. Now, let's learn a short poem about the school. Now, this poem, it's going to be a special one because we are making it up. What are the spellings for the word school? S-C-H-O-O-L. This spells school. So now for each one, I want you to tell me a sentence.
6 by 6.
No, a sentence.
School is fun.
School is fun. Great.
School is great.
School is fun. And now we go to C. Something starting with C.
Children are smart. Children are smart.
Children are smart is better, right? Than rush into cafeteria.
Cafeteria food is
It's like you're going to school to eat.
Yes.
School is fun. Children are smart.
Homework must be done.
Great. Well done. Homework must be done. And then we have an O.
You must be obedient.
One voice.
Obedient people.
Obedience is the key. Obedience. Because you don't get in trouble, right, when you're obedient?
Yeah.
Obedience
Next
is
one.
the key.
No one stands up. No, obtain good marks.
Obtain good. Good.
How dare you?
Obtaining good marks.
No, learning well. Learn well.
Learning
School is fun.
well for future.
Children are smart. Homework must be done.
Great. Okay. This is a very beautiful poem. Look at this.
What?
Shall we say that? Ready? School is fun. Children are smart. Homework must be done. Obedience is the key. Obtain good marks. Learning well for the future. For the future. For the future. Wow, see? You're so creative. You already made a whole poem about the school.
A cute poem.
Do you want to try it with a melody?
A school is fun.
Okay, we'll clap. Tishan is going to sing.
No.
Okay, everybody sing. 1, 2, 3, start.
School is fun. Children are smart. Homework must be done. Obedience is the key. Obtain good marks. Learn well for the future.
Oh, great. Give them a clap. Excellent. Stand up, everybody. Look at your friends there. Stand in a line. Now I want you to go. Come on. Come back. Okay. Just make one line. Right. Now, tell it with any expressions, any actions that you want. 1, 2, 3, go! School is fun. Children are smart. Homework must be done. Obedience is the key. Obtaining good marks. Learning well for the future. Okay, great job. Give them a clap. Did you like it?
Yes.
It's fun making up new poems and songs, right? Was it hard?
No.
No. දැන් පුතාට ඉස්කෝලේ කිව්වහම කවියක් ලියන්න, පොයම් එකක් ලියන්න, රචනාවක් ලියන්න කියලා අයියෝ මම දන්නේ නැහැ හරි අමාරුයි කියන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් අපි අද නැන්පීස් ඉගෙනනවානේ ඔයගලන්ට එක එක ක්‍රම තියෙනවා ඉන්ටරෙස්ටිං දේවල් ලියන්න. දැන් අපි මේ ස්කූල් එක ගැන ලිව්වේ කොහොමද? ඉස්සෙල්ලාම අකුරු ටික අරගෙන ඒකට අදාළ අකුරෙන් ඉස්කෝලේ ගැන වාක්‍යයක් ලිව්වා. ඉතින් මේ වගේ දේවල් ඕගලන්ට තනියම කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකෙන් ඕගලන්ගේ නිර්මාණාත්මක චින්තනය වැඩි දියුණු වෙනවා. අනික භාෂාවත් ඕගොල්ලෝ ගොඩක් හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. right. ඉතින් අද ලෙසන් එක දැන් ඉවරයි. ඊළඟ සතියේත් අපි ඕගොල්ලොත් එක්ක එකතු වෙනවා තවත් ඉන්ටරෙස්ටිං ලෙසන් එකක් එක්ක. So make sure that you go to school, you do your homework, you're obedient. Then you can get good marks and be smart children for future, just like our poem says. All right, shall we all stand up to sing the goodbye song? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Our class is over now. We are